Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to upload photos or your items in Shopee. So first, let's open Shopee and then log into your account. So in my case, nakalog in na ako sa account. If you don't have a Shopee account or no Shopee shop, I don't know. You can just click on the Shopee seller something, and then these are the process on how to register. So you just have to download the app, sign up to register, create your seller account, upload your products, and fill in product details, and then sell and earn. So since I have an account already, I'll go to seller center, and then this is the platform. All you have to do if you want to upload your product is go to add new products and then your product name. So for this video, I'm going to use, let me just go to our e-commerce, Kissable e-commerce file, and then open Kissables info. So I'm going to try uploading this one na lang. The our gel base lip and cheek tint. So just have to copy and then paste it here. Um, Look for the category. So since this is makeup and then lip makeup, lip tint. Scroll down and then click on next. Then for product description, it's already here na. You just have to copy and paste there. And then for the brand, usually type in our brand, Kissables Cosmetics by Jirel. Or if ayaw nyo, you can just click on no brand. And then for the price, I'll start with single pack. We have 69 for the single pack. Stocks, you can just write 10 or kayo na bahala. So right here sa variation, shades. So since we have 5 shades, we're going to add 5 options. So just copy and paste it there. Rare and lush, rare and lush. And then I am going to add the trio variant. Let me just check on our trio variant. Oops. Wait lang. Our trio variant is... Saan yun? Oh no. This is not the one. Wait lang ah. There. Trio variant is Lush Glow Rare. Lush Glow Rare. And the other trio variant is Aura Glow Wild. Aura Glow and Wild. So there you go. So for the price, you can just put 69, then 10, apply to all. But since the trio has different price, then you just have to edit it. Tama, 115. Ay, 119 pala. Sorry na. There. So it's 119. And then for the product image, you can just choose any pictures from our e-commerce. But in my case, I have already pictures here. So, pwede akong there. You can transfer it here, make that your cover photo. And then for this one, shades. For shades, we have here, aura, glow, wild, where is wild? There, rare, lush, and then for the variant, I'm just going to use the old photos. Aura glow, there. You can also add videos, product video. We have our product video here at e-commerce. Then once done, just have to input the weight. So the weight is not listed in our file, but usually I put 0.1. And then if you have stocks, you can just choose no for pre-order. But if you don't have stocks and you wanted to be sure that you can ship it on time, then you can just click on yes. If you need to add more days, then you can add more days. Usually 7 days, okay na yun. Then once you're done, then you can already click on save and publish. Loading. There you go. So you're done. You can now see your products here. So if you want to see your products, so ito na yung mga listed products ko. So there. That's how you upload your items. If you want to add more items, then you can just have to click on this one, add a new product, and then go back to step 1. All right, that's it. Thank you.